Cat is the devil. Oh my god, it wants milk. Yeah, you look sweet, and then I get near you and you get all pissy. Okay, go get milk. Let's go. Go! Stop stopping. Go! I know if I get near, you're gonna kill me. Go. Don't hurt me. No, don't get near me. You are the devil. No, stop it. No! No! Oh my god. You're vicious. You are a monster that just wants milk. Come on. Oh my god, no, no, no. Okay. Shut up. No, get away. You scare me. Oh my god, don't make that noise. No. Give it to me. Yeah, you want milk, I know. Yep. I'm opening the lid. Yep. Don't eat me. Please don't. Please. Oh my god. No. No. Oh, Jesus. What was that? Those are my favorite cats. Oh my god. Ah! There. Leave me alone. Freaky cat. Eats people.